happen and for Douala too. Make we open chapter now so for school where they don't close. I be say on automatic the week e get for being at the last week for school them for close for enter for third term holiday. Other school them they be already start for close. Other school they already start for close. We go take una go for place where they call them say Manjo. Now for they will go start our work for Mongo division. We go work a small mamati for inside Manjo. For school for them, picking themselves, we hear say they don't dismiss so they 117 picking them for sicker bad fashion for school. One day way they come for school, they know the baba their head them fine. One day way they put they throw oil for their head, they don't plait their head. One day way they smoke for inside school. Better one them, they give them small dash for sicker say they don't put their head for book or the academic year. Other one them teacher themselves it they so they be congratulate them for the better work where they don't do and for that side, so they no be left teacher them just as well they be the give that show teacher them. This one you see the picking it trusses it don't say fine. Now another picking this way come up for school, it then now with his school uniform for a hand. This other one it don't wrap a trouser like some hunter man, it way they go for bush. The one he own trusses it the tighty for show. See here, see man where he go school, see own kind beer where don't go shave them. So now all the kind of thing them where they make them they send someone there for by force pension. It means say they don't dismiss them for inside Manjo. See back where mommy they left picking them for take and go school. Back where he don't rot in. See so one is skirt. You see no skirt say he don't tear. The other one he own war hair where he go baba for take and go school. The one he own skirt he don't burn and fine with the iron. So they hold they Inokia. So now all the kind of thing them where he dey so war hair baba where he all thing where he make they don't send at least 117 picking them. All school too, school says for Manjo, in the beg say main governor look for inside the palaver for Sika say ceiling for that school says na big disgrace. Yes, ceiling na big disgrace. For that side for Loom, country people them, it be day to na big them as well they so they be the close school. For inside government school for Loom, we hear say at least 75 picking them too, they be send them for dismiss for Sika bad fashion for inside school. One day way they do thing the way they no be get for do and one day way they make follow only for inside school. So they send at least 75 them for back for house, where it means say they no go turn back for government school for Loom. This one na palava Kasingo na head that way woman the plat for go school. They say no, yes they will tell you say holiday don't come. Do one they kind of slippers for go for school. All the one they so call people them now anyway they talk say minister them for secondary education. Yes, Mami Pauline Nalova Lyonga you get for Nakia ham for table. So that all the kind of thing them will not go the same for inside our school. And mommy them, all the thing that we don't show now. Trusses where you don't tear, skirts where you don't tear, picking the way they go school with the slippers, one the way they baba their head like say they dinner for inside dance house, all that kind of thing them. What back them? Mommy them, I beg. When school starts, una try, una change. As I say, some of una will send the same thing them back for school when 2018-19 school year it starts. But no, not the better way that. Now, so we go hear from two different people. Them first, head boy for PTA for school for Manjo, and one of the teacher them for inside government school too for Manjo. They go tell we how the school year it pass and waiting way they want them.
Manjo don't fall. How we cafe no the worker. Manjo don't turn except for pay some more money where I pay the ask for begin for papa them and mammy them it won't plenty. Eating now later when they talk say election day before they see papa and them and mammy them. But that election no day they call them no man no they know the careful. Now the problem where we get them for lycée de Manjo. Lycée de Manjo get like 1,900 begin. But we get 13 enseignants permanents. We get 30 enseignants vacataires. 30, we appellent du supporter. But indemnité, all so more money we papa them they give them. With the big government say, make them try, give we set enseignants them for this year. If you know be so like we don't die for Manjo. Because money no there for Manjo. Manjo no there, Manjo we been for all the time.
See when not the worker for you, especially, being say parents do not follow picking them, do not follow education for picking them. See how as today, we don't give books and we don't give many prize. Picking them to go holiday. Parents do not come, do not follow their picking them. We advise parents them, we ask them, to follow education of their children them, because education is the issue of parent and state and lycée.
Manjo don't fall, how we cafe.
Now, as so you don't hear that head boy for PTA, president for PTA for inside school for Manjo. Now only 13 teacher them where they for that school in Gomna they pay them. 30 teacher them they na for contract we missing a PTA. They look out that teacher them. Now the same condition, the same software way school for Lumtu the suffer, the government school pass to them. Plenty teacher they way now only for contract they she done. No na Gomna teacher them where they only she done for say make PTA money enter before they take look at them. So now so small thing them where Gomna Sesep minister for college book again for start to check inside all that palaver them. Now sabi say even as we palaver them, e be then a time too for papa them, the PTA president, teacher them, for sure say before they be one old, them say they be being a young people them. Now so to the young people them to the talk for them say them they see get young blood for their skin. Now palaver for dance as we school they close. Make we see am. Yes, if glad it be there for that side for Manjo and even for Loom, even as well they be dismissed, plenty picking them for Sika Wawa fashion for school. Another people that way they hear about for this academic year will take on a go for place where they call them say Matuke na village where it dey for boundary with Moyoka, but it dey na for under Banga subdivision for Littoral. For that primary school where they call them say St. Alexi Primary School for that side so for Matuke. Then Sesep they be here about for inside this school year. Now for Sika say waiting, for Sika say plenty mami them, they become for can come out, they are picking them for school. After they say gone, it the ever hala for Sika say the judge then for boundary with Moyoka way they for Sawe. So they will they be the close, it be then a day too, where a teacher them, they be try for beg, say me mami then say they try for look at this picking them as well they go for house and may they bring the picking them back. Now so to them to the beg, say me this palavam for Norwest Airways, make it try for stop. For Sika say before school year will end, plenty of their picking them. They don't shoot them for house, they know they turn back again for school. For Sika gone where they hear them, where it the hala for that side so for Moyoka. As I talk for now, Matuke it then for boundary for Moyoka, but it then for under Banga subdivision where it dey so for Mungo division. So picking themselves for St. Alexi, then to they don't go Walide. Now for Mami, then now so for look at them. Now so make we hear waiting way from one of the teacher them inside St. Alexi. He talk waiting it be their problem for academic year where age of finish.
I then for Matuke village where they under Manga subdivision. And Matuke village just from some few kilometers from Muyuka. Now only Mungo River separate we and southwest. So we get problem here for our school because we are picking them all the time with the hear sound for gone for southwest. As we hear the sound for gone, parents them they need one send they are picking them for school, picking them to they need one for come out or come for school, and they make school don't be empty. From that our number what we get time, it don't drop down to almost 100, and we will get plenty difficulties because the teachers and the teacher they would na private school na school to pay them, so we get plenty problem for that one. They make government try to see to this problem. We say next year meeting the change. We get picking them for house and na lack of security and problem too for this and from crisis. Or every day we hear psalm for God. Every day we hear psalm for God.
Yes, so now one of the teacher than that for inside the government or St. Alexis School, Jackie Nomolomtu be put a microphone for one of the mami them for inside that village, Matuke. Make we hear it to talk.
How the gun the way they shoot and so they affect me too for this side. Yes, it affect the school them for year. Because they fear now for go school. No know how next year go be. We want government to me government intervene for the problem.
Now prayer for all people them for Semen Gomna, he try for look inside the palava. We go take una go for Bamenda for talk say first school living certificate and even certificate the two premier for we brother them for French side. It be right, it be pass fine for that side so for Bamenda and it be then a time to for my minister for primary school book for it to for take it eye. He see as we this speaking them they be the shidon for inside that exam for that side so for inside Bamenda con people them. Minister for primary school book, Ma Dijam, Ebide for Bamenda. Now for they we go for go see as we picking they be the finish for write their exam. Sabi say inside the exam house itself, some picking the day where they become with their uniform, other one they become now with their house clothes them. Now for sika this palava for Norwest and so when so the worry that side. But on top all the one them, Sabi say they picking the or they be common them plenty for last day where they be the write the exam. All man it be shidon for inside class or write exam. Police, gendarme, then too they be there for look out they picking them for say make no confusion no happen for them. Now so self my minister for primary school book, she says it take it time small with the governor says for that side for Norwest, Oga Adolphe Lele Lafrique. All them they be take their time for enter for inside that government bilingual school for inside Bamenda Day for see as we exam they happen they enter for all exam place and they talk say true the exam it don't the work fine even as we fear it be day plenty for mami them their heart but minister it be tonto I dey glad plenty now they roll call than that as soon as they see and so the people there they be no come so one day na 5 so one day na 4 and other one them na 4 5 so now so we tonton see say absent for inside this chapter it be day plenty sabi say put them for Menchum and Boyo, some of them too they be bring them for different center them for go shidon for write this exam for government bilingual school complex Old Town Mancon for Bamenda. Now inside that waka way minister sesep ibi waka for that side so for Bamenda corner side we see one of the corner side them where it be look cut with plenty na this mami con the people them where sesep it be the try for cover a face we no sabi why mami be the cover a face whether na fear it be there for a mind no ask me but mami it be the shidon it the wait na say make a pikin finish write the exam one time a carry a pikin he go back for house so mami just the cover a face he no sabi who be who. Then business itself, it be there plenty. Sabi say Bamenda, plenty people that don't the lost business. So it be there some small ngando for them to for say business. Mami minister, it be take it time free, it tonton, it salute people them. No man no be there for to say no salute, no or they push people them. Mami minister take it time salute all that people them. Now so to Oga Governor Adolphe Lele Lafrique, it be the job worker talk with the people them, it talk with them, laugh with them, simple. No nothing, no they worry. So it be then a big day for the people there where they be get opportunity for touch minister in hand and for touch governor in hand. No be na all kind of man they touch the people their hand. So when they touch them, it means say they no go wash their hand no. They no go wash their hand. They say they don't touch governor in hand, they don't touch a minister in hand. You understand? World Cup now today it go start. And for that side so we talk for Russia today 4 o'clock Cameroon time first Ndamba get for pass. Where na Russia, it go the knack Ndamba with Saudi Arabia. But before Ndamba say one starts with Spain tomorrow, Sabi say Spain, it don't get na new coach. The coach will be fit qualify Spain for take and go the World Cup. Now the Padimandats where they call it say Julian Lopegui. They don't movie, they don't come out for work. By first pension where they give him for him. Now for Sika say coach, he no be respect commandia. He go sign say he go the be like coach for Real Madrid after we World Cup finish. He no even wait say may World Cup finish, he go sign another better contract for Sika say do he be there for day. Now so to spend their own Ndamba Federation to a sign book, a commodity Padiman one time for chain. He talk say that one now for bring confusion inside Lahoha, where it dey so for that side for Russia, where they struggle for say make they take that cup as well they be taken for 2010. So this party man, he own new person where they don't bring him for day. Na Fernando Hierro, na SSF, he go be like Spain, their new big man, a coach for inside World Cup. Sabi say Spain, they go knock them by tomorrow for evening time with Portugal. Na better than by that, where no man no get for miss am. So for inside chapter for World Cup, we go take una go for Russia just now. For talk say Egypt, they don't turn back again for make their training. Mohamed Salah, you see him, now where they touch hands. So Egypt people them, sabi say na them go be the first African country where they go enter for Ndamba tomorrow. Tomorrow, the Egypt, they dinner for Group A, but now only one Ndamba day today. So Egypt, they go meet up with Luis Suarez. They are Ndamba, they will meet up with Luis Suarez in country where they call and say Uruguay tomorrow. So Egypt, they don't get their number 2 training for that side. So for Russia. Now so we see country this afternoon. Make we enter now so for small Toriwe newspaper that they get them for we for today. The Guardian Post where it dey for our side today. It dey try for tell we say waiting as we vote for get president the come for country. Them too they don't talk say something them inside that we election commander book. They say something them someone the day commander the day for the way a day so they get for go check them shaking and find again better before confusion a come up for this. So for inside the Guardian Post they dey tell we as we some former big man from Gomna where he thief money. He don't talk say he go give country back 500 million for money where he be don't thief am. Inside the Guardian Post SSF, you feel read to him where he consign some man says where he dey so he want divorce with a woman. Now for sika waiting the Guardian Post he get that story plus even chapter from Dambam where he don't start today. The Post weekend SSF he dey for outside he dey tell say waiting Minister SSF he don't talk for Kamamburu people then say waiting say if they dis also shoot if they dis also do some kind of thing that one he no go help for solve this problem for terrorism where it dey happen for inside country. The Post weekend na to the tell we for inside tori say plenty pikin there now they don't flock for road for Yawende where they make business after where they go for holiday. They tell you to as we gone people them they be enter for some school for where they write GC. So now so we see country for this afternoon. Ambassador go turn back for some time tomorrow, but other to read them they go continue for pass for Equinox Story Arts. Una hold am tight.